you very much at the moment. Thank you, Everton. So this is Hilton Hotel and Resort in Cabo Verde. The island is called Sal. Let's start with we just arrived today. We have the fridge here. All these are empty. These little things are provided every day, and minimum two bottles of water we requested, but they told us we can ask as much water as we want. So this is the room. Simple and nice. This is an area for room service. One cupboard. The safe is here. I like this room because it's quite spacious and they clean it every day. Let's go to the terrace. This is the place. Our swimming pool there. There is another small one there. And there is a beach. I'm gonna give you a full tour of this hotel, which is beautiful. There is a sliding door here which separates the bathroom from the bedroom. Let's go to the bathroom now. This is the thing. A large sink, the toilet, and a nice shower. Simple, but clean and quite compact. They provide towels, new towels every day, and they asked us how many towels we want per day. So this is the room. They also provide tickets for the beach towels. So every time when we go to the swimming pool or to the beach, we need to present this card and they will give us as many towels as we need. They usually decorate your room like this. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. And they left a note for your tips later. And these are the girls. Thank you, girls. Thank you very much. So what do you think about this room, Mikey?
It's very good. It's in the top 3 of the places we've been, I think, this hotel. Yeah. It compares to Victoria Falls.
Absolutely.
Very good.
Beautiful.